An icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. Now, come on now.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I already know y'all, the lighting is terrible. We're gonna get into that, okay? So, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Aza. Go ahead and subscribe. Join me, watch what I have next, you guys. Just join me. But y'all, today's video is I got a new ring light because my folks been on me because I broke my dad ring light probably like a year ago, and I never got him a new ring light. And I also busy buying my own ring light, and the ring lights that I did buy broke them. And the last ring light I had, I gave it to him because I told him I was gonna buy a new one, so because he needed and all that jazz. So yeah, but finally got me another ring light, so this is what I will be doing today. I will be unboxing my new ring light. Y'all, hang on, this box is heavy. Boxing. I don't really like. So yeah, so that's why the lighting look ugh. But yeah, but anyway, I hope everyone is having a great day today. I hope everyone is all in positivity. Like you always should be, you guys. Positive vibes all the time. Period. I will be inserting the TikTok video. Go ahead and enjoy that.
God told me to tell you the next thing he's going to do for you is going to go public. He's about to do something so big for you that the people who don't know you are going to hear about it. He's about to do something so big for you that the people who don't like you are going to hear about it. He's about to do something so big for you that there is somebody right now looking for somebody who can do what you now do. And right now, nobody's knocking on your door. Right now, nobody is knocking the door down. Nobody is calling you. But God's about to get involved in your idea. God's about to get involved in your business. He's about to get involved in your next move, and he's going to do it so big that your phone is not going to stop ringing. He's going to do it so big that checks are going to come in the mail. He's going to do it so big they're going to talk about you in other countries. Why? Because the next thing that God does for you is going to make you go public.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that. But yeah, I'm finna unbox this because this ain't looking right. So let's get right into this video. Okay, so taking it out of the box. So this is it. It's called NEEWER. I always see this ring light on Amazon. I don't think I've never had this brand before. I don't think I have. So yeah, this is called NEEWER, and this is a ring light. Hang on. Okay. This is the light stand that it stands on. And let me see how many inches this is. I forgot. Yeah, it's 18 inches. So. This is a little holder that the phone supposed to be in. Directions. Y'all, I don't know what these are. Okay, the orange. This orange is for a perfect selfie lighting. Like a stable light. I don't know what the clear one is for. But anyway, let me go ahead and put this together. This is it. That's how it looks. guess a clear one go on here. Okay. Woo. Finally got it together. Put that on here. It's the cord and the box that go to it. This one comes like with a little cord and a light, so. Oh yeah, and it comes with a clicker. Okay, so back here is the on and off switch. So this is it on. This is it, like really, really bright. Damming it. Turn it off. So yeah, this is it with the white, I guess, lenses on. So I'm gonna try them on with the orange lenses and see how they look. Okay, so this is with the orange lenses on it. So they said this is really good to take selfies in, so yeah. Right now I'm gonna put on the phone holder. It goes right up in. So this is the phone holder. I just put it on here. So you can try it out. Okay, so I got it up on here. I give this ring light a 10 out of 10. I really like it. I like how the phone holder is because I've been needing the phone holder since I got this little stance that I got off Amazon that I showed y'all in my other video. Pictures with, and I always have this standing up. But I have like this standing in front of my ring light. But this is so much better. And then I like this orange lens. And then I like the clear lens as well. But this one is A1. But like I told you guys, this is a newer ring light. So Amazon, I have it linked down below. And I'll also insert a picture of it as well. So yeah. Ring light 10 out of 10. Y'all should get it. I think I got this on sale. So yeah, I forgot how much I paid for it, but I will insert it. So yeah, so you guys will know. But yeah, like I said, this is just gonna be me unboxing my ring light, putting it together, show y'all how I got it. I just got it set up right here for right now. I don't know where I'm gonna have it at, but I know I will be putting it back in this box or in that little bag thing if I'm not carrying it. But I will probably put it back in this box because the stand got a box with it too. So there'll be more space, have it out the way. So slide some up on the bed, something like that. Period. But yeah, y'all. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed me unboxing my ring light because I know I will be using this very soon. I'm gonna put on some makeup today, probably because it's still early. But yeah, y'all, it's cute, real cute. But anyway, y'all, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join me. Watch what I have next, you guys. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.